Hello friends, this is Mwana Muluba and welcome to this 23rd Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the adjective good in Kiluba. Let's get started. Adjective means kilomboji in Kiluba and good means yampe. For example, yampe can mean goodness or beauty depending on the context. We have different words with the qualificative yampe. The first one is biyampe, for example, bikwendekele biyampe, which means I wish that it goes well for you. Bikwendekele biyampe, I wish that it goes well for you. The second one is buyampe, for example, bumi bulampe, which means a beautiful life. The next one is bayampe. For example, Bantu bayampe, good people. The next one is diampe. For example, Dijna diampe, which means beautiful name. The next one is kiampe. For example, Kitokeji ikiampe, the light is good. The next one is kuyampe. For example, Kuboko kuyampe, which means the graceful hand. The next one is luyampe. For example, Ludimi luyampe, beautiful language. The next one is miyampe. For example, Mingilo miyampe, which means good deed. The next one is still miyampe. For example, mianda miyampe means good news. The next one is muyampe. For example, muchi imuyampe, which means the tree is good. The next one is mayampe. For example, mafuku mayampe, which means good days. So, let's review one more time. Yampe means goodness or beauty depending on the context. Biyampe, for example, bikwandekele biyampe means I wish that it goes well for you. Buyampe, for example, bumi buyampe means a beautiful life. Bumi buyampe means a beautiful life. The next one is bayampe, for example, Bantu bayampe means good people. The next one is diampe, for example, Dijna diampe, a beautiful name. The next one is kiampe, for example, Kitokeji ikiampe, the light is good. The next one is kuyampe, for example, Kuboku kuyampe means the graceful hand. The next one is luyampe, for example, Ludimi luyampe means beautiful language. And the next one is miyampe, for example, Mingilo miyampe means good deeds. The next one is mianda miyampe, which means good news. And muyampe means, for example, muchi muyampe means the tree is good. And we have mayampe, for example, mafuku mayampe means good days. Thanks guys, that is for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye.